ምግብስ ምግብስ ምን አለ? I don't know. Steak sandwich है ना? Cheese steak sandwich. आलू का. So, check-in አድርገናል and we're going. Still immigration አልገባንም. We're going for immigration. But yeah, የኢትዮጵያ immigration system በጣም አስቸጋሪ ነው. Even visa ኖሯችሁ ሊከለክሏችሁ ይችላሉ. So, let's hope አይከለክሉንም ብለን and wish us good luck. Bye. So, finally አልፈናል. Actually ቀድሜ ይበርደኛል ውስጥ ቀድሜ ኮምፕሌን አረኩ እንጂ በጣም it's nice ቆያቸው መጣ በጣም it's nice immigration system በጣም improve አድርገዋል and ምንም አልጠየቁንም ቶሎ ነው የወጣ ነው and አሁን ዲሲ ፍሪ ላይ ነን ያለ ነው በጣም it's so nice let me show you guys look how nice the airport is so nice በጣም improve አድርገውታል I think something changed somehow so yeah that's what's happening and gate 8 none we're close to our gate I think boarding ተጀምሯል ነው አልተጀመረም actually boardingአችን 3 o'clock no so yeah because I'll go around and I'll show you guys በጣም ግን I'm amazed because airport በጣም የተቀየረው like it is so pretty ገና ነው so Marc Jacobs አገኘሁኝ $106 አሉ I think it's very nice I think I love Marc Jacobs ለማታውቁ still perfume ነው እና አዲስ flavor አግኝቼ I feel like I want to buy it you know I don't want to waste it ብዬ አሰብኩኝ anyways I'm going back to my uncle to discuss the እንትን ስማማ Marc Jacobs አገኘሁ $106 ስንት ብር ማለት ነው 15,000 ብር ነው አልገዛም እንዙር እንሂድ ቦርሴንም ይዟለሁ anyways እንደዛ ነው currently ፎቶ ካሜራማን አድርገውኛል እየተነሱ ነው ፎቶ እና እያነሳሁ ነው እኔ ፖዝ እያደረጉ እየቀያየሩ ፎቶ ሲነሱ ነበር ወይ ምንም ማድረግ አይቻልም I'm sorry anyways I'm just wearing t-shirt እና ሱሪ yeah እንደዛ ነው ይሞቃል በጣም ይሞቃል እዚህ ራሱ ይሞቃል hopefully እዛ ትንሽ ይቀዘቅዛል but yeah so ዲቲፊ ገብተን ገዛን ሽቶ ገዝተናል it's very nice ሽቶ Marc Jacobs ነው የገዛነው አጎቶቼ እንደ እንትን እያዩኝ ነው ቆይት this is them and yeah we're having such a good time የረፈደብን መስሎን ነበረ but early ነው የመጣ ነው so እየጠበቅን ያለ ነው we're going to our plane የገባን board እያደረግን ነው it's so nice this is our plane I don't know if you can see it but this is my plane and this is our plane this is not my plane but that's manifestation and yeah we're boarding hopefully ሲታችን ተለያይቷል እነሱ ፊት ነኝ እኔ እነሱ አብረው ከኋላ ናቸው I think but yeah so board አድርገናል I'm so excited and I have a window seat, and it's very nice. It's very nice actually. Emirates flight በጣም amazing flight ነው. Their ምንድነው ስሙ their flight, their hostesses በጣም they're so beautiful and it's so nice. And yeah, ልንሄድ ነው. I'm so excited. But you have no idea. You guys have no idea. ምክንያቱም it's been like a while since I've been to Dubai. And ቆይ አጎቴ እየጠራኝ ነው. It's been a while since I've been to Dubai. ቆይ እና I used to live in Dubai for like I think 2 years ago ምናምን for like 3 years almost 3 ዓመት አካባቢ እዛ ኖር ያለሁኝ እዛኔ ስሄድ I was very young ምናምን ብዙ ነገር እና I was never this excited to leave my home country አሁን ግን since I'm going for a vacation and I miss በጣም ሀገሯ በጣም የምትናፍቅ ሀገር ናት I can't believe I'm saying this ግን የእውነት at some point in my life እኔ አባቴን እዛ ሀገር ቢቀብሩትኝ እንኳን እጅ አልቀብረውም ምልበት ስቴት ላይ ደርሼ ነበረ በጣም ክፉም ናት ግን I think ለቬኬሽን ከሆነ በጣም enjoyable የሆነች ሲቲ ናት and hopefully አብሮኝ ማንም ሳይቀመጥም still ማንም ሳልተቀመጠም ብቻዬን ነኝ and yeah I am very excited I hope you guys come along with me and watch the whole trip thank you oh yeah sorry ይሄ ካስታወቀን ምናምን but yeah that's what's up I wanna fund for the kids I think I want to donate money for the kids I think this is በጣም a nice thing I'll donate $2 yeah so jacket ለብሻለሁ anyways this is me and my $2 so እንዳረሳው ነው አሁን እያስገባ ያለሁት so yeah this was up I was complaining ችግር የለውም ብዙ መሰጠት የለበትም እያልኩኝ ኢነር ቶቴን እያወራሁት ነበር anyways yeah so until we take off this is goodbye but doing jacket አድርጌያለሁ I don't know if I told you yeah peace እነዛን ሰዎች ደግሞ ሰው አላቸው ሰዎች ብቻቸውን አለ Oh my god, we're actually taking off. It's so scary actually, but I'm ያስፈራል. Oh my god. It's so scary. Oh, we're airborne. Airborne. Oh my god, it's a bit rough. Oh my god. Oh Jesus Christ. Look at the city. Oh my god, it's pouring rain. Oh my god. But we're finally airborne. በመከራ they took በጣም ረጅም ሰዓት take off ለማድረግ oh my god we're having settle አላደረገም actually I think now we've settled a little bit yeah ትንሽ cloud እየወጣን ነው but this is the city and we're finally airborne it was a bit scary it's been a while good stable አይደለም our flight somehow oh my god and I can see the wings actually moving oh my god oh my god we're turning it's a bit scary oh my god I don't know how they do this so we're actually turning to the left I don't know which side we're going, but we're turning to the left. And the other camera. This is the city from the plane's view. There is a camera underneath the plane, so that's the view. And yeah, and we're cozy. Blanket አድርገናል, ፒሎ አድርጌያለሁ. And yeah, that's what's up. So I'll get back to you later. Stable ካረገ በኋላ because it's a bit scary now. I don't know why it's not still, but I'm jiggly, you know. I don't know what's going on, and I don't know why wing line የተቀመጥነው እና I can literally see the wings move. I think that's what's making me anxious. But yeah, see you later. So ቅድም የሰራሁላችሁ ቪዲዮ ላይ እናቴ ደውላ መሀል ላይ ለካ ቮይሱ ጠፍቷል እና ማርc Jacobs ገዝቻለሁኝ ማርc Jacobs perfume and I want to show you how it is or what it looks like. Wait, unboxingም ልሰራላችሁ ነበር. I forgot to do that. So this is the perfume. This is the packaging. Such a cute box. And let's see what's inside. Oh, this is the bottle. This is the bottle. This is such a cute bottle. Look how cute it is. I don't know how to show you. Look how pretty it is. Oh my god, this is the cutest bottle I've ever seen. And I smelled her, but she's so gorgeous. Oh, very, very nice. I will let my uncles smell it, and I'll let you know what their thought is. So one of my uncles is sleeping, but one of them said it's very nice, and I really like it. I love the bottle. Oh, it's such a nice smell. ስፕሬዋ ግን ብዙ ነው ስፕሬ የምታደርገው አንዴ ስፕሬ ስታደርጓት ቶሎ ታልቃለች, which is very sad. But yeah, we're airborne, the clouds are nice, the space is nice. We're just seeing how it goes for now. So this is what we're having to eat. This is chicken and rice. That's chicken and rice. We have cakes and we have other things as well. I'll just show you in a bit. So we're having lunch or dinner. I don't know, supper maybe. And I chose the chicken and rice option. So they have chicken and rice, and they give you a dessert, like the same picture I show you. So this is their chicken. It looks nice. It used to be better than this, but I don't know what happened. We have crackers. We have cheese. I love their cheese. It's very nice. And they have chocolates. And they have macaroni salad. I love their salad. It's very nice. And they give us what do you call it? Cake, like a dessert. It's very nice. And they gave us some nuts and a bread, just normal bread. And yeah, and our utensils. And I'm having water and mango juice. So yeah, that's what I'm having today. You know what I realized? What do people listen these days? Because I wanted to listen to music, but I stopped listening to music a while ago. It's been years since I actually like, ፈልጌ ምናምን አዲስ የወጣ ምናምን ብዬ ዘፈን ከሰማሁ ነው። What do people listen these days? Because like I am confused. I feel like in the አሮጊት የሆንኩ መሰለኝ because like there are this different options but like I can't seem to know what I want or who they are actually. I have no idea who these people are and I'm just stuck. Now I'm listening to Nick Jonas from the Jonas Brothers, Sunday's Best Meal. I've never heard of it, but it's nice. But am I getting old? I feel like I'm getting old. Anyways, yeah. Who are these people? Who? I don't know anyone except Nick Jonas. Even him, like I know him from Camp Rock, but no one. I don't know any of them. Who are these people? I know Zara Larson from here. Let's see. Oh, I know Bad Bunny. So we are actually arriving. Good news. On my screen, it says like we have 30 something minutes, but I can feel the plane descending. And also, our pilot spoke that we're actually arriving, and I can see the city from here. I don't know if it's visible, but let me try. We're landing. Ooh, that was scary, but it was fun. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm here. I seriously cannot believe that I'm back here. I was just thinking about እግዚአብሔር ታሪክን ይቀይራል ሁኔታን ይቀይራል እና ዛሬ እዚህ መመለሴና being this excited is በጣም ለኔ በቃ full circle moment የሚባል ነው እና I'm so happy and I'm so sad at the same time. I don't know why I'm feeling this type of way, but I'm glad we're here. So we have arrived. አሁን ወደ ኢሚግሬሽን እየወጣን ነው. Let's see how it goes. Flight was so nice actually. ይሄን ያህል ከባድ አልነበረም. It was kind of smooth. ትንሽ turbulence ነበረ, ግን it was nice. The coffee is doing its job አሁን ላይ. Actually እነዚህ ቻይኖች የት እንደማላቸው አላውቅም. I work with Chinese everywhere I go. I see them. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, ወተናል። አሁን ወደ ኢሚግሬሽን እየሄድን ነው and ከኢሚግሬሽን እንደጨረስን we will be outside. Yeah. So ደርሰናል ዱባይ. We have arrived. አሁን ወደ ከተማው እየሄድን ነው። ታክሲ ይዘናል። ታክሲ ላይ ነን. Such a beautiful city, such beautiful streets and በቃ እንደዛ ነው። ሲም ካርድ አክቹሊ ማለት ነው የኔ ስልክ ኢሲም ብቻ ነው የሚቀበለው እና apparently ኢሲም አለው እንትኑ ላይ ስካን ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። ግን the thing is ኢሲም ሲሆን 10 ጂቢዋን የመጀመሪያውን ፍሪ መጠቀም አልችልም ማለት ነው። ዳይሬክትሊ ከዌብሳይቱ ላይ ወስዶኝ ከዌብሳይቱ ሪቻርጅ ነው ማድረገው በገንዘብ ማለት ነው። ሶ እሱ እንትን አጋጠመኝ። ሶ ኢሲም ካላችሁ just try to be conscious or bring the Wi-Fi pod. አሁን መጠቀመው using their hotspot and yeah, ሌላ መኪናዎች actually Wi-Fi አላቸው. I don't know ለምን ይሄኛው እንደሌለው, but still working. So yeah, this is the city. So ገብተናል ዱባይ and this is my friend ኦቦሌሳ ይባላል። ክሎክሊ ፔን ጭንቅላቱ ላይ አድርጎ ነው and Yeah, I just did my first shopping. ሸበጥ ገዝቻለሁ. I'll show you later. It is so fucking hot. Look እያላበኝ ነው ያለው. Literally, this is my fucking sweat. እና everyone that I'm bringing gifts እያወቃችሁ ላቤን እየበላችሁ እንደሆነ. And yeah, I'm so happy that we're here. አሁን እራት ልንበላ እየሄድን ነው. And I am so excited and I'm so happy and I'm so grateful. Yeah, that's what's up. በቃ I'll show you later. So, appetizer መቶልናል. This is chicken soup, and this is what is this? This is hawala. Hawala? ምንድን ነው የሚባለው? Hawala. It's nice with rice. We're still waiting for our rice. እና በጣም it's nice. ሾርባቸው በጣም it's nice. ለጉሮሮዬ በጣም ጠቅሞኛል. Yeah, that's all. ምግቡ ሲመጣ ሳያቸዋለሁ. Bye. So this is our food. This is fish with rice, and that is chicken. Roasted chicken. And this is our sauce. We're going to have Mountain Dew and Mirinda. Huh? Smash it, yes, smash it. This is before smash. We'll show you the aftermath. ይህ መዝናናት የሚፈለገው